coefficient, correlation, and equations of regression lines and equation of regression lines for the following values of x and y. So read on the data. I think this problem not completed. X, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding y values are 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. Whether this problem completed? If you are written the notes, then only you can get to know whether this problem is completed or not. Correct? So anyhow, in the next week you have offline classes. At that time, I will check the classworks of all yours. Okay, right. This is a given data. What we have to find first, Gagan?
X bar, Y bar and Z bar.
So here what we have to find? Coefficient of
Correlation.
First coefficient of correlation we have to find. Then what we have to find?
Equation of regression.
Equation of regression lines. Can you tell me the formula for coefficient of correlation to find first?
Sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square.
That's all.
By 2 sigma x sigma y.
2 into sigma x sigma y. Who is helping you?
No one, man.
Okay, right. What is the formula to find sigma x square? Sigma x square is nothing but variance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sigma x is standard deviation, sigma x square is variance. What is the formula to find?
Summation of x square by n minus x bar square.
Minus x bar square. Okay. What is the formula to find sigma y square?
Summation y square by n minus y bar square.
Very good. What is the formula to find sigma x minus y square?
Summation x minus y square by n minus x minus y bar square.
Minus x minus y its bar square. Okay. Then we required x bar, right? X bar, y bar and x minus y whole bar. What is the formula to find x bar?
Summation of x by n, summation of y by n, summation of x minus y by n.
Formula to find y bar is summation of y divided by n, and formula to find what x minus y whole bar is what? Summation of
X minus y by n.
Summation of x minus y divided by n. Correct. What is n?
Number of values.
Number of values of what?
X and y.
X and y. What is n now for the given problem?
5.
Fine. So next, what we have to construct?
Table.
Table consisting of, what is the first column?
X, y.
X. Next?
X, y.
Y.
X minus y.
X minus y.
X square.
X square.
Y square. X minus y square.
X minus y whole square. Okay. Now tell me what is x? X values?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the y values?
2, 5, 3, 8, 7.
2, 5, 3, 8, 7. What is x minus y?
Minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2.
What next? X square?
1, 4, 9, 16, 25.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What is y square?
4, 25, 9, 64, 49.
4, 25, 9, 8, 8, no?
64,
7, 7, sir?
49.
49.
And 7, 7, 7.
Yes, 49. No. Next, x minus y whole square. Here we have x minus y, its whole square.
1, 9, 0, 16, 4.
No. What next? Summation of all the columns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is summation of x? Gagan, are you sleeping? Hello?
Why 25? Sorry, ma'am. Mic was off.
What is x?
15.
15. Why? Summation of y.
25, ma'am. Someone is muting.
Someone is muting you, 1 minute. Students, if you are not able to answer for the question means why you are muting Gagan? Huh? Hello Gagan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here. What is summation of x minus y?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. What is summation of x square?
$55.
55. Summation of y square?
$151.
151. Summation of x minus y whole square? So all of you do this one, not only Gagan. If is there any mistakes means you people should inform remaining. What is x minus y whole square, Gagan? Summation?
13. 30.
1. 30. Okay.
Yes.
So next we have to go for x bar, right? We have to calculate x bar. What is x bar now? So capital N is,
Summation of x
sorry,
by
N is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Summation of x is 15. 15 by 5.
3.
3. Next find out y bar. Summation of y by n. Summation of y is 25. 25 by 5.
5.
5. Next x minus y bar is equal to summation of x minus y.
6.
Summation of x minus y.
13.
Minus
Sorry,
10.
minus 10. Minus 10.
That is minus 2,
square
correct?
came.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we should find out sigma x square, right?
Yes.
Sigma x square is summation of x square. That is 55 divide by n minus x bar square, that is 3 square. What you got? 55 by 10 minus 3 square, that is 5.5 minus 9.
Ma'am, 11 minus 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 55 by
55.
5 ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನು 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ
n 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಎಸ್
2 ನಾ?
2 ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್
ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ y square, summation of y square is 151 divided by 5 minus y bar, that is 5 square. What you got?
5.2.
5.2. Next, sigma x minus y square, that is summation of x minus y square, that is 30 divided by 5 minus of x minus y whole bar square, that is minus 2 square. What you got? 2 na?
2. Yes.
30
Yes,
by
ma'am.
5.
30 by 5, 6 minus 4.
Okay. 2 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Next what we have to find? That's all,
Regression.
right? We can substitute in the formula. Not regression. Coefficient of correlation. What is sigma x square? 2 plus sigma y square is 5.2 minus 2 divided by 2 into sigma x means square root of 2, sigma y is square root of 5.2. Calculate now. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, you leave it. 5.2
0. 0.8062.
8062. What is the range of R? Gagan?
-1 to 1.
-1 to 1. Okay, it should not exceed these values. Right. So now we got the coefficient of correlation. What next? What
Equation
we have to find?
of regression.
Equation of regression lines. So shall I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the equation of regression lines? We have, if you know R, by knowing R, what is the formula to find regression lines?
Y minus y bar is equal to R into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar.
Very good. What is the second regression line?
Ulta.
A down.
X minus x bar is equal to R sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ y minus, what is y bar?
Y bar 25.
5 ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. I deleted that page.
Oh,
So
I did, ma'am. 5.
What is R?
5. R 0.8026. Say 62.
8062 na?
Yes, ma'am.
What is sigma y? Root of 5.2 na?
Yes,
Square root
ma'am.
of 5.2. Sigma x is
Yes, ma'am.
square
Yes.
root of
2
into x minus x bar. What you got x bar?
3.
3. So y minus 5 is equal to, calculate this one, root of 5.2 by root 2, then into 0.8062.
1.299 అని బರ್ತದೆ.
1.29.
Yes, ma'am.
4 decimals.
299 ಅಂತ. 1.2999.
99 ಅಂದ್ರೆ one more 9
1.3.
fifth.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth decimal place ಏನಿದೆ?
5.
5 means 1 adding 1 to the previous, it become 1.3, right? 1.3000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ into x minus 3. So y minus 5 is equal to 1.3 into x minus, what is 1.3 into 3? 3.9.
Yes,
now take minus 5 to the RHS. Y is equal to 1.3 x plus 1.1. 1.1 na?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the regression line of y on x. Next find the regression line of x on y. X minus x bar is 3. R is 0.8026. Sigma x root 2 divided by sigma y is root of 5.2 into y minus
0.8062 ma'am.
8062 na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
8062, correct. Next y minus y bar. What is y bar? 5. Next x minus 3 is equal to, calculate this one.
0.49998 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0.5.
49998 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 so y
Yes,
minus 5. So x minus 3 is equal to 0.5 into y minus, what is 0.5 into 5? 2.5
2.5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now take minus 3 to the RHS, sorry. X is equal to 0.5 into y plus
0.5.
0.5. This is a regression line of x on y. Find the regression lines and coefficient of correlation for the following data. Read on the data x, y. So x values, x is 10, y is 18. So next 14, 12, 18, 24, 22, 6, 26, 30, 30, 36. 10, 18, 14, 12, 18, 24, 22, 6, 26, 30, 30, 36. First, what we have to find?
X bar, y bar.
No, that is first we have to find regression lines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have to find coefficient of correlation. What is the formula for regression lines by not knowing the coefficient of correlation? So if you know R, then to find the regression lines, so that what we use the formula in the previous problem that we are using. So I don't know R. First I want to find out the regression lines for the given data. What's the formula we have to use?
Square root of coefficient of x into y. Coefficient of y.
That is for coefficient of correlation. I'm asking for regression lines.
Y is equal to summation of x, y by
Capital
summation
Y.
of x.
Capital Y.
Yes, capital.
Capital Y is equal to summation of capital X into
X, y.
divide by what? Summation of Y or summation of X?
X.
Sure, you check it once and tell me.
X square.
X square,
Capital.
Yes, X square or X or what?
X square, ma'am.
Sure. Into
Yes,
what here?
ma'am.
Into what?
Capital X.
Capital X. This is the first formula. What is the second line?
X is equal to
Capital X. Be careful, it should be capital X. Okay, equal to summation of
capital XY by capital Y square into capital Y.
summation of capital Y square into capital Y. Here what is capital Y stands for?
Y minus Y bar.
Y minus Y bar is equal to summation of capital X into capital Y divided by summation of capital X square into X minus X bar. So here X minus X bar is equal to summation of capital X into capital Y divided by summation of capital Y square into Y minus Y bar. Small y minus small y bar. Next, we have to construct the table, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Table consisting of what?
X, Y, capital X,
Capital
capital
X.
Y.
Directly you take capital X only, no need to consider small x. What is capital X stands for?
X minus X bar.
Next, capital Y. What is capital Y stands for?
Y minus Y bar.
What next?
X square Y square.
X square y square. So next here what we require?
XY.
X bar we required first, right? How to
Yes,
find
ma'am.
X bar?
Summation of X by N.
Summation of X by N. Find the summation of X, add the X values.
Twenty.
20 only. Summation of X
Summation of X 120.
120 divided by what is N?
6.
Somebody is messaging you, right?
Who, ma'am? Me, ma'am?
Huh?
No, ma'am.
No.
What will their
What?
message, ma'am?
Okay, what is Y bar? What is Y bar?
Y bar, I'm still calculating summation of Y, ma'am.
Summation of Y by N. Tell me now what is summation of Y?
Summation of Y 126.
126 divided by N is 6.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
21.
21.
Okay. Now calculate here X minus X bar. That is 10 minus 20.
Minus 10.
14 minus 20.
Minus 4.
Huh? Minus
Minus
4.
6. Sorry.
6. 18 minus 20.
Minus 2.
22 minus 20.
2.
26
2,
minus
6, 10.
20. 6.
6.
10.
10.
So next Y minus Y bar. Y bar is 21. 18 minus 21.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. 12 minus 21.
Minus 9.
Minus 9. 24 minus 21.
3.
6 minus 21.
Minus 15.
30 minus 21.
9.
36 minus 21.
50.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
So X square. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is Y square? Fifty 15, sir?
225.
225. 9 9s are 81. 225. Okay, now add. What is summation of X? Zero ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
0 ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
0 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸಮ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
All right. What is summation of x? Summation of x, xy also we need, right? X into y.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is x into y? Minus 30. Minus into minus plus.
30, 30.
Plus. 9 3 9 6
54.
54. So next 3 2s 6 minus 6
Yes, ma'am.
next
Minus 6,
minus
minus
30.
30.
9
54,
6
150.
54 150.
150.
Okay. So now summation of x and summation of y not required. Correct? What is summation of
Yes,
x
ma'am.
square? 200 plus 40 plus 40.
280.
280.
280.
Summation of y square? 450.
680.
680. Summation of xy?
Summation of
This is 60.
1 second.
210. 210 plus 54. 264.
252.
Minus 30 plus 30 cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
2
52.
252 na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I added 6 instead of
Ma'am, ಅದು
subtracting.
680 ಅಲ್ಲ 613.
630 na?
630. Yes.
Okay. Now substitute here. So you call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now equation 1 become y minus y bar. Y bar is 21 is equal to summation of xy is 252 divided by summation of x square is 280 into x minus x bar is 20. Now simplify this. Y minus 21 is equal to 250 by 280.
0.9.
252 by 280.
0.9. 9. Sorry. Correct.
X minus 20. So y is equal to y minus 21 is equal to 0.9 into x minus 20 into 0.9.
18.
21 neither x minus x bar is 20.
ಇಲ್ಲ x minus 20.
20 into 0.9. 18. Okay, next y is equal to 0.9 into x plus 3.
3.
Okay, next consider equation 2. Equation 2 become x minus x bar is 20 is equal to summation of xy is 252 divided by summation of y square 630 into y minus y bar. Y bar is 21. So x minus 20 is equal, what is 252 by 630?
0.4.
0.4 into y minus 21. So x minus 20 is equal to 0.4 into y. 0.4 into 21?
8.4.
8.2 na?
4.
4. Next x is equal to 0.4 into y plus 11.6.
Yes, ma'am.
This is regression line of x on y. Okay. So we got the regression lines. What we have to find next?
Regression. Coefficient correlation.
Coefficient of correlation is equal to r is equal to plus or minus. What is the formula? If you know the regression line, what is the formula to find?
Square root of coefficient of x into square root coefficient of y.
Square root of coefficient of x into coefficient of what?
Y.
What is the coefficient of x? Where you will get coefficient of x?
In the regression line of y over x.
Okay. What is coefficient of x?
0.9.
0.9. What is coefficient of y?
0.4.
0.4. What is square root of 0.9 into 0.4?
0.6.
0.6. Whether it is plus 6 or minus 6.
Plus, ma'am.
Why?
Both the coefficients are positive.
Yes, very good. So this is a way we have to find. So nothing is there in the coefficient of correlation and regression lines. If they are given first regression line, then to find coefficient of correlation, this is the way we have to find. In the first problem, if they are given to find first coefficient of correlation, then regression lines, that is the method we have to follow. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's all. And one derivation I did yesterday, just I will recall it, that is one of the important thing. So what I told you to show that tan theta equal to what? If theta is the angle between two lines of regressions, what we have to prove, tan theta is equal to what I told yesterday. So that tan theta is equal to what? Sigma x into sigma y divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square into 1 minus r square divided by r. This is one of the very important derivation or problem, where theta is the angle between the two regression lines. Now tell me how to find it. How to prove this result? What we have to consider? What we have to consider, where you will get sigma x, sigma y and r? In which equations you will get? And what is tan theta in general stands for?
Slope of line.
Slopes. Okay. So if you know m1 is the slope of the first straight line and m2 is the slope of the second straight line, what is tan theta? How to find the angle between those two straight lines? If you
M2
know the
minus
slopes.
M1 by
M2 minus M1 by
1 plus M2 M1.
1 plus M1 into M2, correct? If you know the slope of the tangents, you can find the angle between those two straight lines, correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, what is the equation of first regression line in terms of R, sigma x, sigma y?
Y minus Y bar is equal to R sigma Y by sigma X.
R
X minus
into
X.
sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. What is the second regression line?
X minus X bar is equal to R sigma X by sigma Y. Y minus Y bar.
Sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. As we know that we can keep y minus y bar, say capital Y is equal to capital X. So it is what, say m1 now. Y is equal to mx form. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is y equal to mx stands for?
Straight line.
Straight line passing through
Origin.
origin having a slope m1.
M.
Okay, so here it is x is equal to, it is a m2 into y. It is also a straight line. So y is equal to, you can take y is equal to 1 by m2 into x, that form. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you will write that? So actually y is equal to mx is the standard form. You should convert this in the form of y is equal to mx only. X equal to not m2y, y is equal to m2x only. So you convert what is y minus y bar now? Cross multiply sigma
Sigma Y by
r
R sigma
into
X.
r into sigma x minus x bar. Now it is capital Y is equal to m2 into capital X. So this is our m2 and this is our m1. Now substitute m1 and m2. You call this as equation 1. Substitute m1 and m2 in equation 1 and simplify, you will get the answer. So tan theta is equal to, what is m2?
Sigma y by r sigma x.
Sigma y divided by r into sigma x minus m1 is r into sigma y divided by sigma x divided by 1 plus m1. m1 is sigma r into sigma y by sigma x into m2. m1 into m2. m2 is r into sigma x by sigma, sorry, not r, here sigma y by r into sigma x. Now simplify. Here r and r cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in the numerator what we can take common?
Sigma y by sigma x.
Sigma y by sigma x is common. We left with 1 by r minus r. It is m2 minus m1, right? I did in the reverse order, I think. m2 minus m1 alva.
Yes, ma'am. Correct ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
So is this m2? m2 is wrong, no? What is m2?
m2 sigma y by r sigma x only, ma'am. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ ma'am.
No. R into 1 minute. Correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? 1 by r minus r.
Correct.
Okay. Next, what is the denominator? 1 plus
Sigma y square by sigma x square.
sigma y square divided by sigma x square. So now sigma y by sigma x into, it is, okay, LCM is r, 1 minus r square. Correct? Is it right? So divide by here, if you take sigma x square as LCM, what you left with? Cross multiply. Sigma x square plus sigma y square. So denominator of the denominator is multiplied to the numerator. So we obtain tan theta is equal to sigma y by sigma x into sigma x square into what? Into 1 minus r square divided by r whole divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square. So 1 sigma x cancel. That is sigma y into sigma x divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square into 1 minus r square divided by r. This is what we have to prove, right?